One of my friend who is a beginner in Power BI has got a question. He has a table containing date, month and quarter in different columns for some reason. And he wanted to have one separate date column clubbing together all of them. If you are a beginner and if you have this kind of doubt, let me show you the technique. For that, let me go to the data sheet view, and then you have three different columns. You can just select another column, new column option, and then you can concatenate the three strings. But don't use concatenate function because you can't concatenate more than two strings in concatenate function. So date final equal, if I use concatenate function, you cannot stitch more than two strings. For that, we can avoid this, and then let me select the date from the table ampersand with a space, not mandatory, but it is my habit, and then month ampersand and then year. Now your date column is ready, but this is a text column because it's actually a result of concatenation. To avoid that, I'll just select the column and column tools. Then I can convert the data type from text to date. Then you have a proper date column, which you can use for your time intelligence and other calculations. Now let me give you one more bonus tip, where if I wanted to change the icon of this table, a boring icon is there, but along with that, if I wanted to give a kind of emoji, I can do that. For that, I can just go to the transform data, that is Power Query Editor, and select the name of the table, and just before that, if I press Windows key and star, you will get the menu. I think it is available from 2000 means Windows 10, that is my understanding, and then you can select any one icon, and then you see just it is now added, and close it. Otherwise, you can do one thing. You can go to any website containing emojis. I have selected this website and I selected this and just copied it and come here and paste it. And then if I just say OK, and then if I close and apply, you can see that icon now is available the way you have seen in the website. So this way you can make your tables much more interesting.